HCPCS Level 2 JJ HCA Procedures, page 6, part 7.
C. Type of HCPCS Level 2 codes. Continued miscellaneous codes.
Right, we're still talking about miscellaneous codes, which are the codes that are not yet in the book, but are necessary after a product or a service has been approved by the FDA. So that the insurance have to bill and the patients have to get the product, so we give these miscellaneous codes, right?
Right.
So the use of miscellaneous codes also helps us to avoid the inefficiency and administrative burden of assigning distinct codes for items of services that are rarely furnished or for which we expect to receive few claims, which means these are not the popular ones, but just those that are very rare, okay? So then the next line reads,
because of miscellaneous codes, the absence of a specific code for a distinct category of products does not affect a supplier's ability to submit claims to private or public insurers and does not affect patient access to products.
Right, that's what we were saying. These miscellaneous codes are useful because the suppliers can bill the insurance and patients can get the products. Why? Because of the miscellaneous codes. As soon as the FDA approves the product, then we create a miscellaneous code, right? And these are one type of miscellaneous codes are the A codes, and we have the code and a description just as an example, right?
Right.
Okay, so that's our theory for today. Now let's do a problem. Ready, set, go. All right, the code for a problem is HCPCS JJ HCA 603, page 603, exercise 6.
Tracheostoma filter.
That's the title, and the text reads the same thing, right?
Yes, tracheostoma filter.
Tracheostoma filter, okay? That is the supply. And now we're going to count to 3 so you can pause the video and give us the HCPCS level 2 code for this supply. 1, 2, 3. Okay, the answer is A4481. You got that? If you got it, congratulations. If you didn't get it, let's give you a tip. Start in the index with
given item, filter, tracheostomy.
Right, you just go to filter in the index, right, to the F, right?
Right.
And then
tracheostoma.
Tracheostomy. And just so you understand what it is, Stephanie has prepared or has chosen a picture and with a little arrow there pointing exactly to the filter, okay? And the answer, of course, is A4481. So we're going to count to 3 so you can pause the video and give us a path to the answer. 1, 2, 3. Okay, this is the summary of the problem. We need you to find the HCPCS level 2 code for tracheostoma filter. There's only one code, and the code 1 through the index is found like this.
First you go to index.
Go to the index.
Then you go to filter.
Go to filter.
Then you go to tracheostoma.
Tracheostoma, right?
Yes.
And the answer is?
A4481.
A4481. Now you're going to check this in the tabular. So the code 1 through the tabular is found like this.
First you go to tabular.
Tabular.
Then you start with the code A4481.
Right, that's the code you found in the index. And what does it say?
Tracheostoma filter.
Tracheostoma filter.
Any type, any size each.
Any type, any size, and each one of them, right? So that's why we found our code. That's the equal sign. So it means that the answer is A4481, okay? So thanks for watching, and don't forget to visit our website, and also
you can subscribe to us in YouTube by clicking here for our new medical coding videos.
You're just clicking the red subscribe rectangle, and you get
up to 3 videos every day that we make. ICD-10s, CPTs, all that is needed to pass the medical coding certification exams.
Okay, so thanks for watching, and don't forget to visit our website and subscribe to our videos. Thank you.
Goodbye.
Bye.